Why automate social media posting?
Automating your social media posts saves time, ensures consistency, and helps grow your audience. Instead of manually sharing updates, you can schedule, plan, and publish content effortlessly. By integrating a buffer and Zapier, you streamline your workflow and maximize productivity, making it easier to focus on creating great content and engaging with your followers.
What are Buffer and Zapier?
Buffer is a social media management tool that lets you schedule posts across multiple platforms. Zapier is an automation service that connects different apps, allowing them to work together automatically. By using Zapier with Buffer, you can trigger new social media posts based on actions in other apps, making your posting routine virtually hands-free.
Setting up Buffer for social media?
To start, create a Buffer account and connect your social media profiles. Buffer supports platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You create a posting schedule, add your content, and Buffer handles the publishing. Take a moment to set up time slots for posting so that your updates go live when your audience is most active.
Connecting Buffer and Zapier.
Next, sign up for Zapier and create a new automation called a Zap. Search for Buffer and connect your account. Choose a trigger app like Google Sheets, RSS feeds, or email. Every time your trigger action occurs, such as adding a new row in a spreadsheet, Zapier will send your content to Buffer for automatic posting.
Building your first social media automation.
Let's make it practical. Select a trigger, like a new blog post in your RSS feed. In Zapier, connect the RSS feed as the trigger and Buffer as the action. Map the post title, link, and description to your social post fields. Test the Zap, and once you're satisfied, turn it on. Posts will now be published automatically each time you add new content.
Tips for effective automated posting.
Review posts in Buffer before they go live to maintain quality and accuracy. Use Buffer's analytics to track engagement and adjust your content strategy. Rotate content types, images, links, text to keep your feeds engaging. Finally, revisit your Zapier automations periodically to make sure they're still aligned with your goals and platform's rules.